Hi guys, it's Sophie with Stitch It International with the Sii Store. I'm one of your supply specialists and I'm just going to kind of give you a little quick video over one of our products, and it's a hot stamping foil. This is kind of more of a finishing step to your shirt design process, and it comes in very many different colors, and today I'm going to be showing you the gold. With our heat press, we want to set on 320 degrees on a medium pressure, and I'm going to be using this with the Forever Laser Dark paper. And what you want to do is anytime you're using the hot stamping foil, you want to print your design out in all black. So we're going to go ahead and place this into our heat press with the shiny side down. And then we're going to add our adhesive side, but we want the letter side up. Make sure that none of the adhesive will stick on our platens. And then we're going to get some silicone sheets. And now we're going to go ahead and slide it in for the full 120 seconds. And now we are going to wait. All right, so it looks like it's time to go ahead and pull this out. We're going to lock our top part up. And we're going to remove our silicone sheets. And we're going to go ahead and pull this while it is hot. All right, since we went ahead and peeled this while it's hot, you want to go ahead and trim off all the edges because there will be a little adhesive on the sides and you do not want to get that onto your shirt. To save us a little bit of time, I went ahead and pre-trimmed one already, and as you can see, on the front side it is black and on the back side it is white with the adhesive. Our next step is we're going to go ahead and pre-press our shirt. And anytime when you're putting your shirt onto your heat press, you want to make sure that your collars are not on. And we just want to line everything up and make sure that there's no wrinkles. And we're going to go ahead and slide it in. And we're just going to do just a quick press, about 3 to 5 seconds, just to get the wrinkles and water out. All right, and we are going to go ahead and pull it out. And next step is that we are actually going to place our design onto our shirt. So this time you're going to want to have your shiny side up. You just want to make sure that your logo is centered or however you would like it. And then we're going to place our silicone sheets back on. We're going to go ahead and slide it in, and this time we're only going to press it for 30 seconds. So when our heat press says 90 seconds, that's whenever you're going to know it's time to pull it out. All right, so it looks like we are going to only have a few seconds left, and we're going to go ahead and pop it out. So our next couple of steps that we're going to be doing is going to be a cold peel. So we're going to go ahead and pull our silicone sheets off. We're going to remove our shirt, and we're just going to go ahead and set it to the side for it to cool down, and then I'll show you a cold peel. Now that our shirt is cool, we are going to be doing a cold peel, and we are going to be doing it in a rolling motion. And then we're going to go ahead and put it back onto our platen. And now we're going to be applying our hot stamping foil. With our hot stamping foil, you just want to go ahead and cut it out to the size of your design. And you're going to place it with your color on top. And place your silicone sheets. And you're going to go ahead and press it again for another 30 seconds. All right, so it looks like we only have a couple seconds left, and we're going to go ahead and pull it out as it says 90 seconds. And with this hot stamping foil, it's very similar to the Forever Laser Dark. This is also going to be a cool peel. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place to the side so we can go ahead and start cooling. All right, now that our shirt is cooled, we're gonna go ahead and rip off all our hot stamping foil. And as you can tell, it gives a very nice metallic finish, and it just adds another little bling and pop for you to be able to just do something different with your garments. Like I said, we're using the hot stamping foil today. I used the gold and the video, and I offer all sorts of different colors along with just the metallic and the glitter. They are both very popular, and I bet you guys will absolutely love these. Like I said, you guys can get these from the Sii Store, or you can purchase them by giving us a call and we can place the order for you. Like I said, you guys should really get this hot stamping foil, and my name is Sophie, one of your supply specialists, and you guys have a great rest of your day.